students, welcome back to business statistics class. So in previous video we had studied about Poisson distribution problems. So today I'll be dealing with one more problem of Poisson distribution. So the 20th question is 2% of fuses manufactured by a factory. So 2% of fuses manufactured by a factory are expected to be defective. Find the probability that a box containing 200 fuses contains defective fuses, and the second sub question is you have to find out 3 or more defective fuses. So the meaning of this question is, suppose a factory is producing 100 fuses in a day, then out of that 100, 2 fuses are defective because 2% of 100 is how much? 2. So similarly you have to find probability that in one box there are 200 fuses. We have to find out whether it has defective fuses, and secondly you have to find what is the probability that out of those 200 fuses there are 3 or more defective fuses. So to find out this probability, they have given one information, that is 2% of the fuses are defective. So here 2% of the fuses are defective. Therefore, the probability that the fuse is defective is P equal to 2 by 100. So we know Poisson distribution has only one parameter, that is lambda. But here in this case they have given in the question two quantities. The one is 2% and the other information is they have given how many such products are there. That is basically they have given P as well as N. So this same problem you can solve using binomial distribution also, but we are solving by Poisson distribution. It is because you can see N is very large and P turns out to be very small. So we had seen in the property of Poisson distribution that a binomial distribution tends to Poisson distribution when N is very large and P is very small. So these two conditions are satisfying in the problem that which we are solving now. Therefore, the binomial distribution problem is to be now taken as Poisson distribution. Therefore, now we want lambda. So what will be our lambda? It will be N into P. So in the question they have given N, they have given P. So we have to find out lambda. So even though if you are solving it by binomial distribution, you will get somewhere answer near to whatever you will get in Poisson, but it is to be taken as Poisson distribution because the conditions are being satisfied. Here P is very small. You can see P 2% is nothing but 2 by 100, which is 0.02, which is very less, and N is 200, therefore it is very large. So we can see binomial distribution tends to Poisson. Here X denotes the number of defective fuses in the box of 200 fuses. So always remember you have to take X such that whatever is asked in the question, that has to be taken in the form of X. So here P and N is, P is very small and N is very large. Therefore, X can be treated as Poisson variate with parameter lambda, which is equal to N into P. So N is 200 and P is 0.02. Therefore, lambda is 4. In examination, if such questions is asked, then you have to write all these steps. So you can write first what is P. So if you don't want to write all the statements, you can just write P is 2 by 100, and then you can write X follows binomial distribution, but since P is very small and N is large, binomial distribution tends to Poisson. Therefore, X follows Poisson distribution with parameter lambda, where lambda equal to N into P you have to write, and then find out the lambda value. So here X follows Poisson with parameter 4. So once we got the parameter, we can substitute it in the PMF. So PMF is e raised to minus lambda raised to x by x factorial. So in place of lambda, substitute 4, and here x takes the values 0 to infinity. So now they have asked to find the probability that there is defective fuses. So it is, since we are taking Poisson distribution, always take the complement for such questions. So we can't find out how many fuses are defective, therefore we will find. So suppose if it was binomial distribution and n was 3, then we would have substituted 3 and simplified, but here this is Poisson, therefore we will find out probability of defective fuses by finding 1 minus probability of no defective fuses. When the word is there no defective fuses, then it is understood x is 0. Therefore we can find out p of 0, which is, in place of x substitute 0, e raised to minus 4 into 4 raised to 0 by 0 factorial. So this is 1 and this is also 1. So it is 1 minus e raised to minus 4. So go to Poisson distribution table. So check for lambda for 4, it is here. So its corresponding e raised to minus lambda value is 0.0183. So substitute it. So 1 minus 0.0183 is 0.9817. So this gives you a probability that out of 200 defective fuses, there are defective fuses. So the next question is, sub question is, to find probability of 3 or more defective fuses. So it is finding at least 3 defective fuses, which is x is greater than or equal to 3. So complement of that will be 1 minus probability of x equal to 3. So it is 1 minus p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2. First, in place of x substitute 0, which we have already done. You can write it as 0.9817, and next in place of x substitute as 1 and then 2, simplify. So here what I have done, e raised to, first term is e raised to minus 4 plus the second term is e raised to minus 4. 1 factorial is 1, so 4 raised to 1 is 4. So I got it as 4 times e raised to minus 4, and in third term 4 square is 16, so 2 factorial is 2, so 16 by 2 is 8. So I got it as 8 into e raised to minus 4. So then 1 minus, I can write it as 13 e raised to minus 4. If you want, you can substitute e raised to minus 4 in the first step, then multiply with the corresponding coefficients and then add, or else you can take common as e raised to minus 4, then it will be 8 plus 4 plus 1, which is 13. So it is 13 times e raised to minus 4. So 13 into 0.0183 is 0.7621. So in this question we have understood, when the question is of this type where it is 2 parameters are given and when the condition is satisfied, then binomial distribution tends to Poisson distribution. So I think one problem we had solved in binomial distribution also. I'll just check. Yeah, over here. So 10th problem is, on an average 1 in 100 razor blades are manufactured by the firm is defective. So here you can see n is very small, that is n is 5, therefore we have taken it as binomial distribution. So here in binomial distribution all the problems are with n as small. So if you are taking for this problem, for the 10th problem, n into p, if you do and if you solve it in Poisson distribution, you will get the answer approximately same. But always remember, when p is small and when n is very large, you have to do it by Poisson distribution. In your examination they will not give this follows binomial, solve it using Poisson. You have to understand the question and you have to take the distributions accordingly. So here you might get confused with two parameters, so it might be binomial distribution, but then check P and check N and then decide which distribution to take. So in next class we'll solve few more problems of Poisson distribution. Thank you.